Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. Plenty of distance from your neighbors. Great lot in North Vero gated community. Day dock available for river access and quiet community with custom homes. 5 minutes to shopping and 10 minutes to the beach. No time limit to build and choose your own builder.